Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how you can test your touch screen in case you suspect you have like spots where the touch screen is not responsive. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024 and Ford Edges equipped with Ford Sync 3. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. To do that, first you have to access the hidden dealer mode. So press together the right SIG button on the steering wheel and the right SIG button on the dashboard. And hold them together for maybe 5 seconds. And then the vehicle will start the speaker test, which you can end. And that will get you to the menu. Now select the APIM Diagnostics and in the upper right corner you have touchscreen activation test. So if you suspect a portion of your touchscreen is not working, you want to test it and activate it, right? You'll have a bunch of these squares and you just want to keep pressing them and that will actually activate that portion of the touchscreen if there is a problem with it. Right, so you can see I can press anywhere and my screen is working perfectly fine. But I had one of these vehicles in the past and like the right side of the touch screen was not working. So what I did, I entered this activation test and I made sure to click all of these squares, right, and that activated it for me and fixed the problem. To end the test, just press in the bottom left corner and yeah, that's it. Exit diagnostics. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.